Here I have HUAWEI Nova 3 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the power key. Let's unlock the screen. Then let's open the phone's dialer and let me show you how to check IMEI by using the secret code. So let's use the following one: *##06#. And as you can see, the IMEI number and also the serial number pops up in front of you. As you may notice, this device has two IMEI numbers because this is the dual SIM card. Let me tap OK. And now let me show you the second way of checking IMEI and serial number. Let's just use your home screen again. Now find and select the settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose System. Here you need to choose About Phone. And as you may notice right here, you can read the IMEI number of your device right here. And you can also scroll down and choose Status. And here you've got access also to your serial number and to other stuff such as the Wi-Fi MAC address, IP address, and a lot of more. Alright, so that's it. Now let's go back and you can start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.